With pleasure.
Look out!
No, Precious!
I'm fine. It only hit my collar. Go, go, go!
This is crazy! You literally took a bullet for me. That's like true love.
I guess it is.
Take the shot!
Bye-bye, little doggies.
What are you doing? You're getting away!
Ow! Tiny teeth are so sharp.
Do I have to do everything myself?
Stop fighting me. What do you have against me? Not so defenseless now, are we?
Amy, turn it this way! Buddy, fire!
Nice shot.
You shot me with a dart?
Not good.
I don't feel so good. Hello, doggies.
Heather, sit! Whoa, play dead! Man, I'm good at this. I should get a dog.